Most of us rely on natural remedies for our skin care woes. The ingredients are readily available, sustainable, and rarely cause side effects unless you are allergic to them, and know how to use them properly. Most of us rely on natural remedies for our skin care woes. The ingredients are readily available, sustainable, and rarely cause side effects unless you are allergic to them, and know how to use them properly. Natural skin care products are safer than chemical ones as the chances of side effects with them are remarkably low. Hence, try to go for natural remedies whenever possible. Give your skin a breather. Ditch makeup once in a while, and go au naturel. Today in this video, I will share how to use raw milk for skin whitening. Raw milk contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate the skin. It improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and keeps your skin soft. It also moisturizes the skin and keeps it supple. People with an allergy to milk should not use this remedy. You will need 2 tablespoons of raw milk and cotton ball. Dip the cotton ball in milk and apply it on your face. Let it dry naturally for 10 to 12 minutes, and then rinse it off. You should do this 2 to 3 times a week. These remedies can help you get clear and flawless skin naturally at home. Apart from these home remedies, we have also listed a few tips you can follow.